How to fix Instagram live not showing. Now, this isn't really something you can fix, it's more of a new feature that Instagram recently implemented. So, apparently, the live option is no longer going to appear since you're going to be needed to be eligible for it first. So, the first thing you're gonna need to do to be eligible for an Instagram live option is to make sure you're using a public account. So, that means you shouldn't be in a private account. So, make sure that's settled, and it's pretty much only two things you need to watch out for to be eligible. The other is to make sure you have 1,000 followers or more so that you will be able to start a live broadcast. So again, make sure your account is public and you have 1,000 followers. But that's pretty much the only new thing that Instagram implemented. Make sure you have those two fixed up in order to be able to go live again in Instagram. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.